Welcome, boys. Today we are going to study about the future tense. We have four kind of future, okay, tenses. There are four future tenses in English: the future simple tense, the future continuous, and the future perfect simple, and the future perfect continuous. Today we are going to deal with the first two futures, okay, or the first two tenses: future simple and the future continuous. Are you ready? Boys, are you ready? Hello? Are you ready? Faisal, are you ready?
Mister, yeah, but
Uh-huh.
in you put mute, I can't open it.
Okay, no problem. Okay. I'm going to mute all of you, and once I need your answer, I'm going to unmute you. Clear?
Okay.
Oh. So here let's start with the usage of the future simple tense. Future intention. Okay, it's used for intention, to intend something, that I'm going to meet my friend today after Salah, or decision made at the moment of speaking. Sometimes you make a decision or a rush decision. Right now, I'm going to talk with my friend. I will open my window. I will open the door. I will eat hamburger. So we use such kind of future simpletons to express promises. I will pay you back tomorrow. To express offers. I'll give you a hand with the washing up. Shall I help? Sometimes I use it for suggestion also. Look here. First of all, I use it for promises. I promise you to open the window, to pay you back. I promise you to give you a gift, and so on. Request. I ask you for request. Will you buy me an iPad? For sure, no. I'm not going to buy you anything. For refusals, you are going to refuse something, okay? So you can use the future simple tense. I won't tell you anything. Okay. So now we have already discussed the four kinds or the four usages of the future simple tense. Intention, decision made at the same moment of speaking. We can also use it for promises, offers, suggestions, requests, and refusals. Let's move and see some other usage, but we need, I'll go to bed. This is what are using of the future simple here. If I can ask you, I will go to bed now. It's, you can look at that. It's considered as what? Decision made at the same moment of speaking. I, I will meet you tomorrow. This is a promise. This is a promise. I will help you with the painting. This is a kind of offer. Okay, I'm going to unmute you. I unmuted all. Ahmed Walid, you have a problem on your mic.
Mister,
Yeah,
please raise your voice.
I'm trying to raise my voice. Is it okay now? Is it okay? Boys, don't unmute yourself, please. Don't mute yourself.
Yeah, yes, Mister. Yeah.
So, is my voice clear now? Just give me a hint that my voice is crystal clear. Is it clear? Do you hear me very well, Faisal?
Yeah.
And Ahmed Walid, can you hear me? Ahmed Walid always mute himself.
Yes, Mister. Yes.
Okay, let me continue. And here the future simple tense, we have another usage in order to for a specific time table. The sun will rise at 6:30 tomorrow. Okay, it's a kind of timetable or a kind of It's a kind of a specific time. Christmas Day will fall on Tuesday this year. Why are we using the future simple tense here for future facts? This will happen in the future, no way. So I can use the future simple tense. Let me continue. So we have here many usages. The first one for decision made at the same moment. The second one for future intention, promises, offers, suggestions, requests, and refusals. And here are some examples about it. We also can use it for what? For the future facts. Here's the future fact. This is the future fact here. Okay. The future sample, we have some rules. Yeah. How can I form it? Let me show you. Look at here, boys. We are going to use the subject followed by Yes, Ahmed Walid. Can you do you want anything?
No, miss.
Okay. The subject plus well. I'm sorry for that. Or shall plus infinitive. Okay. So subject plus will and shall plus infinitive. How can I form it like this? To form the future tense of a verb, use the helping verb will or shall with the main verb. Is it clear? So will or shall plus the main verb. Okay, let me show you here. The sun will and rise. Rise here is the main verb, or it's the infinitive or the base verb. What is the meaning of infinitive? What is the meaning of the main verb? Okay, it means that the verb in the base verb. Okay, just hold on, boys. I'm just gonna mute myself for a second. Something here. Okay, hello. Sorry for interruption. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, let me continue. So as I told you, the infinitive means the verb without any endings, the base verb, the root verb. Look at here, look at the other example that we have already seen. I will pay. Okay, pay. Shall and help here even in the question. So with no more endings. There is no ed, there is no as, it's not in the past, it's just in the present, okay, and preceded by will or shall. So, so shall or will plus the verb with no endings, the main verb or infinitive. I can write infinitive or base verb. Okay, look at here, run, where run? Spell will spell, think will think, count will count, talk will talk, whisper will whisper, check will check. Yeah. Okay. These kind of verbs, okay, will be in the future if I put will or shall before it. And here's some videos you can watch it, okay, at home. So do you have any question? Please, if you have a question, please go on. I unmute you. Go on, boys. If you have any question, please ask me.
No,
Hello? Who has a question here about the future tense?
nothing.
Nothing?
No.
Yeah, Ahmed Wali, do you have a question?
No, I'm.
Okay. Shall we move to the next?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are going to study this, the future continuous. We have already studied the future simple tense, and now we are gonna study the future continuous. What is the future continuous? For a continuous actions in the future. This time next month, I will still be teaching in Paria. Okay. Anyway, it means what this action will be happening in the future. For example, I will playing a match next. I will be playing a match next week. Okay, it means that you are in the middle of action in the future. So here's the first one: for a continuous action in the future. This time next month, I will still be teaching. Look, will plus be plus verb ends ing. For an action that will be in progress at specific time in the future. For an action that will be in progress at specific time in the future. For example, at night or at 9 o'clock tomorrow, I will be flying to Madrid. At 9 o'clock tomorrow, you give him a specific time, and then you started to say, or you started to tell him about that you are going to do this thing or this action. Here, let's continue. To ask applied questions, will you be using the printer? Yeah, in order to ask someone for a applied question, will be using your mobile phone. This is the third. The fourth usage for making guesses for about the future. You argue that something will happening in the future. I'm sure the sun will be shining in California next week. It's always sunny there. So he gets that the sun will be shining in a specific place or in California or any place. Okay, in next week he's just guessing. Okay, about action that will be in the middle. And the fifth usage for making guesses about the present. I won't call my sister since it's late. She will be sleeping now. Yeah, who has a question? I think Ahmed Walid has a question.
Yes, mister.
Yeah, what's
Always the verb we will add for it ing.
just wait till we come to the how can we form. I'm going to explain it, but just wait. Yes, we add for the present for the future continuous. We add verb ends with ing, but we have to put will plus be. Will plus be plus the verb ends with ing. Like here,
Okay.
will be plus verb ends with ing. Again, shall I make here a draw or highlighter? Look, will plus be plus verb ends with ing. Okay. So here's the form that Ahmed Walid is asking for. For affirmative or for the regular sentence, we are going to use will plus be plus verb ends with ing. Clear, boys?
Yes, please.
Okay. You will be driving, he will be driving, and so on. This kind of formation that we are always using. Okay. And here, we are going to put well, there. Anyways, so when I'm going to make a question or interrogative, we are going to use well plus the subject plus be plus the verb enters ing. Again, so look at here for those examples. Will you be driving? Will he be driving? Will she be driving? Will it be driving? Will we be driving? Will you be driving? Okay. The future continuous rules. Here, look at this. This is a kind of forming the present continuous, I'm sorry, the future continuous. All the subjects plus be plus will plus be plus the verb industries ing. Okay, I'm just going to ask you, both of you who attended today, who can make, Ahmed Wali, can you make a sentence using the future continuous by your own?
What, mister?
Again, can you make a sentence by your own using the future continuous from your mind?
Okay.
Go on, man. I'm waiting to hear.
Okay. I will be playing in 7 o'clock.
No, yes, it works. Nice. Okay, please. Can you provide us with a kind of sentence using the future continuous? Faisal, you can unmute yourself. Yes, okay. Can you?
Mister?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Yeah, I listen.
Okay, go on. Can you make a sentence using the future continuous tense by your own?
Hmm?
Faisal, can you hear me? Faisal, can you hear me?
Yeah, mister.
Okay, go on. Tell me a sentence or give me a sentence. Provide us with a sentence using the future continuous tense.
Will be and starting.
Yeah, with using any kind of verbs.
Okay. I swimming.
No, it's not working like this. I will be swimming. I will be swimming. Just try again. Make another one.
I will be driving.
I will be driving tomorrow. Okay, it works. Nice. Thank you. And now some more examples here. Look, the positive sentences. We will be shifting to a new home next year. We are going to move to a new home next year. He will be flying a kite. It will be raining tomorrow. She will be enjoying her vacations. He will he will be expecting honesty from his employees. She will be delivering a speech to people. And here,
Yeah, mister.
yeah, we can talk about the negative will not be. Will not be. Look, will not be. It will not be raining. Will not be enjoying, and so on. And here's how can I form a question. Will she, will we be shifting or will he be flying? Will it be, okay, we start with will and then the subject and then the raining. Okay, now after finishing, as it's the end, uh, Who has a question in that kind of slide?
No, it's very good.
No
Your
problem.
explanation.
Okay.
No
Anyway,
problem.
you have here a homework for today. You have to answer it and send it back to me. This is the future simple tense. Okay, and
How
here
I answer it?
you can answer it in a paper or print it down at your home. You can print it and answer it in a paper. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
you can see it, I think. Okay, I'm waiting for it, inshallah, tomorrow or after tomorrow. And then,
Mister, I want to every day in 8 o'clock you open
no, not
live.
every day. No, 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 not every day. I have already sent you. I have already sent you a schedule. You can follow it in order to know what is the time.
But
I
I
can.
don't. But I don't understand.
Okay, let me explain it for all of you. Just wait a minute. Let me explain it for all of you. I'm just gonna open it. Click it here. On Tuesday, every Tuesday, you are going to be from 8 o'clock to start your live, okay? And even on Saturday, so Saturday and Tuesday. Saturday and on
Okay.
Tuesday, you have a live video.
In
If
in
if
eight
if
o'clock.
you miss the live video, I'm going to upload it. Okay, please.
Okay.
Faisal, I'm sorry, Hussein, will open it. So you have to follow it. If you don't follow me or if you don't attend, you can find later a YouTube link for what we have already studied to revise it
Oh,
again. If you have any question and you forgot something from what I have already said, you can find it. So your task right now is to answer this worksheet. Okay.
okay.
I think he will come to the party, for example.
You send in a group.
Yeah, send it to group, send it privately, anywhere. Okay, I'm just waiting for your answers. Okay, you can just
Okay.
give me a picture and then I'm gonna check them.
Okay.
Okay, Ahmed Walid, do you have a question? Hussein, do you have a question?
No, Mister.
Okay, thanks for today. Inshallah, see you next week. Inshallah. If you don't have any question, you can leave right now the meeting. And thanks for your attendance. Thank you, guys.
Welcome.